Older men can tell a younger woman likes them by looking for these signs. Hey, are you an older guy who is baffled by the mysteries of a younger woman's heart? Then look no further, because today we are demystifying the subtle hints and unmistakable signs that a younger woman likes you, and believe me, you'll want to pay attention. So listen up. One sign on its own isn't going to hand you a she's into you guarantee, but start adding them up and bingo, you might just be the guy she's dreaming about. She tries to impress you. Ever noticed her trying to leave a lasting impression? Studies show that when a younger woman is attracted to an older guy, she will often go the extra mile to impress him. So if you see her continuously trying to catch your eye with her intellect, charm, or wit, this could be her way of signaling that she's into you. She acts differently around you. Does she behave differently when you are around? Psychologists say that we tend to change our behavior subtly around those we are attracted to. If you observe a distinct shift in her demeanor, the way she talks, or even her body language when you are present, this might be a sign she's intrigued by you and is attempting to connect on a deeper level. She wants you to notice her. Have you noticed her constantly trying to grab your attention? According to experts, a younger woman will often make deliberate efforts to stand out when she's attracted to an older man. If she's going out of her way to be seen and noticed by you, it could well be a sign that she's interested. She highlights her best qualities. Does she often highlight her best qualities when you are around? This is a classic sign of attraction. Experts agree that when a woman is attracted to a man, she'll want him to see her in the best possible light, often showcasing her most attractive traits and talents. If she seems to be highlighting her positive qualities more often, it might be her way of catching your eye. She flirts with you. Ever caught her sending flirtatious vibes your way? Flirting is a universal sign of attraction and is often the first step in gauging interest. Psychologists agree that when a younger woman constantly flirts with an older man, it could be her way of expressing her interest. So if the flirt-o-meter is running high, you might just be onto something. She shows her intelligence. Does she often showcase her intelligence around you? Experts suggest that when a younger woman is attracted to an older man, she tends to highlight her intellectual prowess. The reason? She wants to bridge the age gap and connect with you on a cerebral level. So if you find her engaged in deep discussions or sharing thoughtful insights, it could signal a deeper interest. She supports you. Have you noticed her being supportive and caring about your well-being? A woman showing support towards an older man can often be a sign of attraction. Studies show that when we care for someone, we are more likely to support them. If she's there for you in your ups and your downs, it might just be more than casual friendship. She wants to talk to you often. Have you ever noticed her reaching out to chat often? When a younger woman frequently initiates conversation with an older man, it's a clear sign she enjoys his company. Experts suggest that increased communication is a strong indicator of interest. If she's going out of her way to communicate with you, chances are she's into you. She finds you funny. Ever noticed her laughing at even your corniest jokes? A good sense of humor is attractive to many, and when a younger woman constantly finds an older man's jokes amusing, it can be a sign she's attracted to him. Psychologists say laughter not only eases tension, but also builds a bond. So if you find her laughing more with you, she could be signaling interest. She expresses interest in you. Does she seem interested in your likes, dislikes, past or future? When a younger woman shows genuine curiosity about an older man, it's often because she's intrigued by him. Experts agree that expressing interest is a potent sign of attraction. If she's asking deeper questions and genuinely wanting to understand you, chances are she's attracted. She wants to spend time around you. Ever found her creating opportunities to spend time with you? Studies show that when a younger woman consistently seeks the company of an older man, it's a clear indication of her interest. If she is always around or eager to plan activities with you, it's probably because she enjoys your company on a deeper level. She doesn't have an interest in other guys. Does she seem uninterested in guys her own age or other potential suitors? If a younger woman is paying attention only to you and seems indifferent to other men, experts say this is a strong indication she's attracted to you. So if her focus is solely on you, it's a good bet that she's feeling more than just friendly vibes. She's interested in your life. Ever noticed her eagerness to hear about your daily experiences? When a younger woman shows interest in an older man's life, it's often because she values his world. Experts say that such curiosity is a sign of emotional connection. So if she's captivated by your everyday stories, it's likely she's genuinely attracted to you. She finds other guys her age immature. Have you ever heard her complaining about guys her age being immature? A preference for older men can signal a longing for maturity and stability, something that many younger women find lacking in their age group. Psychologists note that such a preference can indicate a deeper attraction towards older men. So if she appreciates your maturity, it's a positive sign. She trusts your word. Does she seem to value your advice and opinions? Trust is a solid foundation for any relationship, and when a younger woman trusts an older man's words, it shows a deep level of respect and attraction. Experts agree that if she seeks your guidance and respects your viewpoints, it's a strong indicator of her interest. Her body language is different around you. Have you observed a shift in her body language when you are around? Body language is a powerful tool for communicating attraction. Studies suggest that when a younger woman is attracted to an older man, her body language tends to become more open and receptive. So, if she leans in when talking to you or mirrors your movements, she might be signaling her interest. She wants you to meet her friends. Ever found yourself meeting her friends out of the blue? When a younger woman introduces an older man to her circle, it's often because she's proud and wants to show him off. Experts suggest this is a clear sign of genuine attraction. So if you are getting acquainted with her friends, take it as a surefire signal she's into you. She invites you to things. Have you been on the receiving end of her invites to social events or casual hangouts? When a younger woman invites an older man to things, it typically signals she enjoys his company and wants to spend more time with him. Psychologists agree that such behavior often signifies deeper feelings. So if her invites keep rolling in, it's a positive sign she's attracted to you. She makes eye contact with you. Does she maintain eye contact during conversations? The eyes don't lie, and a steady gaze is a classic sign of attraction. Studies show that when a younger woman consistently makes eye contact with an older man, it's likely because she's interested. So if her gaze lingers on you, she might be signaling her attraction. She wants to know things about you. Ever notice how she seems to hang on to your every word? When a younger woman shows a keen interest in an older man's life, his likes and dislikes, it often indicates she's genuinely attracted to him. Experts say that this curiosity can be a sign of emotional investment. So if she's eager to know the details about you, take it as a green light. She respects you. Have you felt a sense of respect emanating from her, be it in conversations or actions? Experts say that when a younger woman exhibits respect towards an older man, it's often more than just courtesy, it's attraction. She appreciates your life experience and values your opinions, so if she's showing you high regard, it's likely that she's interested in you. She is there for you. Do you find her constantly ready to lend an ear or a helping hand? It's no secret that being there for someone often stems from care and affection, right? Psychologists agree that if a younger woman makes herself available and supportive to an older man, it usually indicates her attraction to him. So, if she's your steady rock, she might be feeling more than just friendship. She asks about your past relationships. Has she shown an interest in your past relationships? Studies suggest that when a younger woman asks an older man about his previous relationships, she's likely trying to understand his emotional world and gauge compatibility. If she's curious about your love history, it's a good sign she's attracted to you. She tries to get physically closer to you. Have you noticed her trying to be physically close to you? Perhaps brushing against your arm or sitting close? Psychologists say that such physical proximity is a key indicator of sexual attraction. If a younger woman is intentionally seeking out your touch or trying to be close to you, it could very well signal that she's interested in you. She shares personal information with you. Have you noticed her sharing personal tidbits about her life that she wouldn't share with anyone? Psychologists agree that the act of sharing personal information is a sign of trust and emotional intimacy. If a younger woman is opening up to you, an older man, it's likely because she feels safe and interested in a deeper connection. Now that you know the signs, let's take the next step. Are you ready to learn how to attract a younger woman? Or maybe you are curious about those sexy older guy traits younger women love? Either way, we've got you covered. Please like, comment, and hit subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.